That was garbage.
That was garbage. Hi, if you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Devin Mock, and we are going to be talking about my 1994 Toyota Soarer. It's a Toyota Soarer, 1994, right-hand drive, specially imported from Japan. Took me about 4 months to get it, rocking a nice, beautiful 1JZ twin turbo. I'm too broke for the two people. I still got the twins on there. Only thing I have aftermarket in the front is a nice Megan Racing strut bar right there. But don't you guys worry, in a future video, all this shit's coming out, and we're gonna be rocking a big single turbo! Like that echo, don't you? As of right now, all I've done is suspension mods on my car. Right now we are lowered on, I believe, Megan Racing lower camber, as well as the lower toe and trailing arm on some BC coilover. Shout out to BC, you know. I got you guys. And in the front, we got some Megan Racing front camber. Don't worry, fucking racers. I got that shit set to about 3 degrees. I'm not going fucking overboard like you guys right now. On some Enke's 18s. Got them thick, meaty boys on there. Look at them shits. They thick. I want people to know this is a Soarer, not no ugly ass NA2J non-turbo weaves. Of course, the sticker wall. Look at that shit. And on the inside, we got an NRG Prisma bucket seat. It's a large because I'm fat. Met by a nice NRG racing wheel. Quick release as well. I like my little dings. Now, let's talk about the bullshit about my car. So this morning, in fact, we just found out, because my car is so low, yeah, all this is just fucking chewed up to living God. This goes to my hood latch, guys. It doesn't. Stick it back up there. You're gonna be hearing this throughout the whole ride. All right, let's get this thing a start up. I don't know what that means. Stock, baby. We stock out here. Look at that dash. Look at that holographic shit. It's a 94, people. Listen to her purr, all stock-like. No rattles. It's not smoking yet. Not even overheating yet.